Hello, I'm Mark Holtge from Junior Design Team 0116, presenting the Clemens Kitchen app Sprint 4 video demo. Our Sprint 4 goals included the application announcements screen, the admin dashboard, home, announcements, products, and member tabs, additional map functionality on the front end, and allowing an admin to interface with our backend metadata storage system through the admin dashboard. Our next three goals involved getting the Georgia Tech login system working. First, we wanted to be able to retrieve student data through the GT CAS sign-on system. We also wanted to be able to display the official GT login page and have a student log in through it. And we wanted to be able to show this in our front-end app in Admin Dashboard. Finally, we wanted to implement S3 integration for product metadata images so that an admin can go into the Admin Dashboard and upload a picture of an item instead of having to use a link. As you can see, out of our goals, we accomplished most of them this sprint. We got the application announcement screen working, as well as the admin dashboard home, announcements, and product tabs. We also managed to implement the map functionality we wanted and get the admin dashboard hooked up to the backend. For our GT login goals, we successfully used the CAS sign-on and can now display the official GT login pages. However, we did not accomplish several of our stated goals. For the admin dashboard member tab, it can be currently displayed, however, it currently shows up as blank. We had unexpected difficulties in implementing the GT login on the front end, so it is not fully done yet. And we did not have time to implement our S3 integration, though we are confident we can get all the remaining tasks done in Sprint 5. We will now demonstrate the capabilities of our front end, both the admin dashboard and the app. Tapping on Login brings you to the home screen, where you can move around the map. We still have not yet implemented the GT login feature here. Tapping on Locations, you get to see Clemens Pantry, which is a live view of what's in our API, so we're loading straight from the backend. Clicking on location, you get to see what is in the location. As you can see, the items match what is in Transact Campus, both name and amount. We pull straight from the database, and for the images, we pull them from the admin dashboard and the backend. Clicking on one, you can see the thumbnail as well as the nutritional information as well, and its name and how many are there. Next, we'll show the announcements. Clicking on announcements, you get to see that there's a title, a body, and a date for every announcement. These are pulled from the backend, which can be updated in the admin dashboard. Some of the dates are cut off, but we're planning on fixing that in Sprint 5. Next, we'll show the functionality in our admin dashboard. Currently, clicking login just brings you to the admin dashboard, though in the future, we'll make it so that you have to actually log in as a user. As you can see, going to members, we have a modal where you can add a member, however, it is currently non-functional. Going to the item details page, you can see that we have all the items in Transact Campus. However, we've added more fields, namely nutritional label and thumbnail. As you can see, you can click Edit, where you can then add a link to an image, which will serve as the item thumbnail and the item nutritional information. And when you reload the app, you can see that now Clemens Test 2 has a thumbnail and nutritional information as we've added. Now going to announcements, you can see that every announcement has a title, body, and timestamp. Clicking Add on the admin dashboard allows you to add a title and a body. When you click Confirm, it's updated in our API. They're not immediately viewable on the app, but when you reload the app, you'll see the changes. As you can see, we'll click Login here and go back to Announcements. And our new announcement is there with the correct timestamp, as we just added. For our backend, we don't have very much to show, as most of it happens invisibly. However, we can show the CAS sign-on system working. As you can see, this is the official Georgia Tech login page. However, it says that the login was requested by our Clemens Kitchen backend. And here you can see that just like the normal Georgia Tech login service, two-factor authentication is needed in order to sign in. For Sprint 5, as it is the final sprint, we're mainly going to be tying up any remaining loose ends in the application. We hope to connect the Admin Dashboard Members tab to the API, implement GT login in the dashboard and app, implement S3 integration, and create a handoff plan for transferring ownership of the app. Finally, a major goal will be to make the user interface look good and consistent across all platforms, and generally make the app look presentable everywhere.